Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for extreme southwestern Lyon County in northwest Iowa, extreme northwestern Sioux County in northwest Iowa, northern Lincoln County in southeast South Dakota, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 4 miles northwest of Worthing, or 12 miles south of Sioux Falls, moving southeast at 27 miles an hour. The tornado will be near Kenton around 3:35 p.m. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Saturday evening for northwest Iowa and southwest Minnesota and northeast Nebraska and southeast South Dakota. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Lyon and Sioux, and Lincoln County, South Dakota.